The Action 18 Weather Center. This is a severe weather report.
All right, we told you about 30 minutes ago we expected momentarily a tornado watch. It has come. In fact, they added those counties we mentioned before in the Florida Panhandle that were not in it before. But now all of us, all the way over to Valdosta, down into around Lake City, are under a tornado watch. The new watch goes until 6 in the morning. The severe threat will be ending for almost all of us in our area by 3 or 4 in the morning. What I want to show you is the broad view of what's going on. We've had about 4 dozen reports of hail, mostly back in Texas and parts of Mississippi. 2 confirmed tornadoes in Mississippi. Let's go to Ted at the wall and have the latest on what's going on that's approaching us.
All right, thanks, Oscar. And yeah, you can see the precipitation just blossoming over the last hour or so across the region. Keeping our eyes on these cells right here. Sometimes when they come in off the Gulf of Mexico ahead of the main line, they can become severe, okay? So we'll be watching those very, very closely. This line, though, bearing down on the region, lots of lightning. Also watching this batch right here. This will continue to shift eastward, and there is the potential for some hail with these thunderstorms, and also the very heavy rain, that lots of vivid cloud-to-ground lightning, all with these. Also strong and gusty winds, and also some flash flooding not out of the question with all this rainfall here. But I'll throw it back to Oscar now. Oscar.
Okay, let's mention also right now, currently, this will change, but right now, out of the forecast offices that issue the warnings, out of Mobile, Tallahassee, as well as Birmingham, no severe thunderstorm warnings occurring right now, and no tornado warnings. In fact, all the tornado warnings in southwest Alabama and southeast Mississippi have been Doppler indicated. That will change, though, and we still have a report of hail, possibility of damaging hail as we go through the evening hours. Still, those cells down in southwestern Alabama into the western Florida Panhandle. We're bear watching. Those are very potent thunderstorms. But you folks in the Florida Panhandle, be aware of that as we go through the next few hours. We'll be back at 11.
You've been watching a WDHN Storm Team Severe Weather Report. We now return to our regularly scheduled programming.